Video number 29. How to make digital clock in After Effects. Welcome to this channel. Open After Effects. Create new projects and sequences. Type number 0. Using the Align window, place the text in the center of the box. Add slider effect from Effect menu and Expression controls. Hold down the Alt key and click Stopwatch in front of source text to open the expression bar. Type slider equals math. Round. In the parentheses, write this command using pick whip and parenting to slider control. And closed parentheses. Whatever value we give to the slider, the text changes by the same amount. Very good. We do not want values above 60. Then in the second line, set the value of the second equal to 60% of the slider. Increase the value of the slider, the number does not go higher than 59. This is exactly what we want. Write the colon inside the quotation mark and then plus in seconds. This will display seconds and clones. Add the minute in the bottom line with min is equal to math spot floor. Slider open parenthesis divided by 60, closed parenthesis, semicolon. Seconds are still displayed because we did not add the minute display. Add min to the beginning. Very good, both minutes and seconds are visible. Add this command to delete decimals. Function, add 0, in parentheses n, bracket. If, parentheses, n, smaller, 10, return, quotation mark, 0, plus, n, else, return, n, semicolon. There is a problem. Go to the project setting menu and set the engine expression to legacy extend script. Error fixed. Very good. Numbers increase like clockwork. I just want the one-digit numbers to be 0, like clockwork. To add the word add 0 before min and second. Wow, very good. Animate the slider. A value of 0 per second and a value of 60 per minute. The clock is ready. Create a frame with a rectangle tool. Increase roundness. Align the frame in the center. Shadow the numbers. Very nice. Enjoy the motion graphics you created. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and like.